In a chaotic world, nature offers solace. Welcome to nature's healing touch. Witness the morning dew, tiny miracles that refresh and rejuvenate. Hear the symphony of cascading waterfalls, washing away life's stress. Experience silent reflections where the mind finds peace in still waters. Observe the metamorphosis, the promise of transformation. Admire the sunflowers, their unwavering pursuit of light. Nature heals everything. Cherish it. This is nature's healing touch.